I've been wanting this since the day I came to Australia, and finally, we have it.
It's island. Well, a vibe in it. Yeah. It's island. Boy.
Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys, so we're there with a brand new video, and I'm excited, guys, because today I was actually came on lunch, and Babes messaged me and said, well, she went for a walk with her friend, and while she was walking, she actually found something that really interesting and really exciting, because I've been wanting this since the day I came to Australia, and finally we have it. You see me? So look what we got here, guys. Let me show you this piece first. Good old cane, Yes, man. So I think this is what they call like a black cane or something like that. But yeah, finally, guys, me get a cane. Me try cane before and it never grow. Get cane from cans and it never grew, because I think, let me show you. These were the cane that I got from cans. These were pretty much cut off, and I was just trying with it and it never really comes. So this is where they will grow from, these little, like the high or whatever they call it. So Babe got the whole cane, and yeah, so we got the root here, and also I got the head of the cane. So I'm gonna plant them here, guys, and hopefully stem forward up, you see me? Yeah, man, so I'm pretty excited. We just get a portion of rain since evening. It's getting dark and all of that. It's the weekend, it's Friday, finish work and everything. So I'm there, guys, and I'm plant them here. So that is that. But before me do that, let me quickly show you guys the can. Oh, before me show you the can, I'm gonna show you what I go on here, guys. Do you know what these are? These are callaloo. So what you see them about over a week ago. Yeah, but call it say almost 2 weeks. These are red callaloo. To be honest, I don't think I've ever tried red callaloo in my life. Yeah, me eat the typical, the green one from back home, but I never think me ever eat the red one. So tell me, guys, is there a difference? Do they taste different? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, but yeah, let me show you. So after a while, I have got to spread out some of them something here, because the Dasheen them are spread, the tomato them are spread. So I have to really extend this place. I have to go do some weeding this weekend to if the rain will continue. So yeah, but look at this, guys. Do you see what's happening here? Yes, man, that's the can right there, guys. Fully blossom forward up. So it's no joke. And look at it. We have okra tree there, so we have our next okra tree there, so our next okra. We have corn there, so we have corn there, so we have Dasheen here, so we have tomato here, so what else we have? Manchester Island. We have papaya, so Manchester Island. We have Single Bible, otherwise known as aloe vera. What else we have here? So we have papaya tree here, so we have dwarf bean, them call it. Dwarf bean. So you see me, every day I dedicate myself to watering the plants, and yeah, me also make what you call a compost bin. Tell me if I'm pronouncing the word right. I don't even know what them call it, but basically, let me show you guys. I have a bunch of things mixed up in here, so a bunch of fruits and vegetable. Whenever we cook, me just mix it all in and let it go and break down. So it's been about 2 weeks now. Yeah, about 2 weeks, because I've been to add stuff to it. So some of it you're gonna see it look fresh, but yeah, underneath it's breaking down and thing. So that's what I'll be using on the plant, as well as I'll go to the store and buy some natural organic fertilizer for them as well. So yeah, that is that, and hope you all because I'm really excited. You know, me have the plantain tree already, me have the banana tree. You see it, so my little garden are complete with the things that I want to make it look like a little Jamaica, you know, little yard. Yeah, man, I eat this, man. Yeah, we've cut the grass this week too, and the rain forward, so I don't even know if I'll get to cut the grass tomorrow, because I doubt it's gonna be dry. Yeah, but that is that. You know the vibes. So let's go plant the key and now, and that is that. So let's go now. And look what else we have here. Tomato for days. Right now tomato all a spoil upon tree. To be honest, I tell my brethren for forward for some to know him reach it, but look at that tomato spoil. Yeah, man. But we'll give you a portion still, so don't feel no way when I see them a spoil, you know. But yeah, we can't eat off all of them every day. I mean, you can make plenty of stuff with tomato anyway. But yeah, as you guys see over there, we have plenty of trees over there as well. So yeah, man, it's a nice little garden, you know. Them scallion, yeah, them pretty much old, you know. So get some fresh one again. So you guys can see that's, I think that's like blossom coming up and thing. Old pepper tree, so not much now come on them and how them look, you know, droopy and thing. You have sweet pepper, that's the same way, but them look droopy. So plus I go freshen up them here again, plant some new one and get the thing up and running. Yeah, man. Alright, so I plant the first cane here, so because guys, me excited, to be honest, me excited, but I'm not so excited. Reason being, I don't want to get too excited and them not forward. You see me? Yeah, so that's the thing. Like even the plantain tree, I didn't even worry about the plantain tree, and yeah, it's really growing now, so I'm happy about that. And even when I did plant the banana the first time, I was really worried because I was worried about winter, and then pass through winter, so I definitely know them can grow. You see it, this lady where my wife got the cane from, you know, plant the cane here through winter and them grow. So I'm not worried about the cane growing. You know what I mean? So I'm excited about that. So we are gonna do this. Alright, so also guys, gonna teach me. You see me, I used to do this I had, you know, but you see me? When I feel like me I do something wrong, tell me. But you know what I say? I'm not gonna bury the whole thing in the ground, you see it? Maybe put the piece this up. Like the piece this so like halfway in the ground. And then if we put the next piece here so too, or put this here so and put this piece somewhere else just for safe. Yeah. So this I go half cover him. You know. Cover the root part, make sure so that cover the little part they stand out. So it's supposed to good this and that's all. Yes man. Yeah, accept to me man. A little yard this in a foreign, you know. A little yard this in Australia, you know. We have to make it homely, you know. Bring the tropical vibe, you know. Bring the island vibe. Sometimes we weed out all of them and take time, you know, some this. We now have the proper machete, guys. This is like a chopper, you know. Chop up meat and then sitting there. But that's why I walk. Remember the days when my father used to cut yard, machete him use, you know, them time there. Weed whacker. There was weed whacker around, but you know, if you afford one, it's like if you have money. Remember my father used to cut people yard like this man, literally. Swing lass, chop down big yard. When it done with it, it look like say I want a lawnmower cut it. You know, so oh them things there man. I swing my shit from a little boy. Today the air. If I get dark anyway still, so not too pressure it. So look. Let me try the next one. Alright, so I'm gonna plant the next one right here. I have a little extension outside of the garden. Yeah, because regardless, I'm gonna have to extend it anyway because yeah, a lot of stuff we have to plant. You know, next month or summer anyway, December, the right around the corner. So you know, right time to start in the spring. Yeah, soften up the dirt. Yeah. Yes, Rasta. So me do it. Watch me, you know, me doing it my way. You guys might know how to do it better than me. But everything me I go look up on Google. Sometimes I just have to freelance, you know. Use my brain. Alright, so here we go. Down and so. Halfway down in the earth, you know. Just top piece. Doubt this piece will grow anyway, but you know, that stays so. I'll just cover him off, you know. Yeah, man. That is it. If you see me do something wrong, let me know in the comments. Yes, man. But they have for guidance and learning. You know? Yesterday. So, showing the corner again. I don't think I joke, you know. I don't think me they are play around, boys and girls. Look pan tomato. I'm showing a tomato over here. Look pan tomato. The bigger one them this now. This another small tomato them, you know. Yeah. That is that. Look for me don't have bean them over them fluffy. Look on that. Why leave them big? Naturally organic. Yes, man. Anytime I have to really extend it, you know. I'm gonna buy some dirt first, guys. You know, put around all of them tree. Yeah. But I'm surprised how much the tomato them just spread off. Honestly. Everything kind of just bungle up, so that's what I'm saying. You gotta extend everything. You know? That is that. Hope you all enjoy watching. Short like a video. But you don't know. Give thanks all the time. Silent boy off the kind. Yesterday. So this is my little plantain tree. Planting for days. Hey, I'm excited about the plantain more than even the banana. Trust me. Because banana, well only got Sydney and the Gold Coast you get green banana. But plantain, well, we can't say the same for plantain too. Only when you got like the big city, you got Sydney, you got Brisbane, Gold Coast. This year will find plantain, you see me? But otherwise, you know, I find it along with green banana. Be a right banana I get at the shop them, yeah, so yeah. I'm excited for both of them though. For real. So this piece of cane now, me and baby gonna eat that one, yeah? Yeah. And the rest grow, you see me? That is that for real. Cane. See how evening I look. All of the bird them out, especially the parrot them.